I'm a triangle. Of course I am. Obviously, you knew that. I've got 3 sides, and this is rectangle. You're supposed to say hello, rectangle.
Hi.
Now, you may well be asking yourself, how do we find the area of triangle? Well, it's simple, really, because there are always 2 of me in rectangle. Look.
Ugh, get off.
So you find the area of rectangle and then divide it by 2, and that's my area. And it works no matter what size and shape I am. Look. Now I'm 4 centimetres high and 3 centimetres wide. If rectangle changes shape too...
I don't want to.
You have to. That's the whole point.
It's embarrassing.
Go on.
Ugh.
Now he's 4 centimetres high and 3 centimetres wide. Like me. He's 12 square centimetres. So I must be half that. 6 square centimetres. And whatever shape I am, it still works.
Ugh, it's really embarrassing. I want to go home.